Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel Software Testing. Today I'll show you some bash command. As you know, Windows bash scripting is very important for us because you can do any task automation, running software test using Windows bash script. There are many different purposes Windows bash scripting is needed. Those who are new in Windows Bash scripting, how to run software automation testing, how to create Windows Bash file, I have a separate video for that. I'll put that link in the description box. You can watch from there. So today's command, we set it up this way. Echo, exit and pause command will show you how to implement those three commands. Echo command, display message or turns command echoing on or off. Exit command quits the cmd.exe program command interpreter. Pause command suspend processing of a bash file and display a message. That's all three commands do. We'll do step by step practically so that you will understand. In order to do that, you need to create a bash file. So create, right click anywhere in the desktop, then click new text document. So text document, you can write any name for your bash file. Let me write the name as a test dot bat. Bash file extension is bad. You need to delete txt. So click anywhere outside, then you will get this pop-up message, then click yes. So your bash file is created. Now we need to write the command. So right click, edit. So first command is, let's say, start notepad. By default, echo is on. So if you don't write over here echo on, it will act as a on. If you write echo off, then it will do echo off. So let me write the echo on. Then it will start your notepad. Thereafter, let me write the command exit space /B. That means after executing start command, it will exit from the command processing. After that, whatever command it has, it will not execute. Let me write another command, start Excel. So now save it and let me open the command prompt cmd. Let me bigger the font size, properties, font size, let me do 24. Okay. Let me put it side by side so that you will understand. So first thing, we need to navigate in the desktop over here. So in order to do that, cd desktop, hit enter. We are in desktop. Clear the screen. Now, in order to run that bash file, you need to write the bash file name test.bat. Then hit enter. You see notepad file open. Its first command executed notepad file open. Thereafter, it is exited from command processing and it is going for the next process. Remember how echo on is work. It will write all the step for the execution. But once you will do echo off, let's say echo off, next run you will not see all the step. Right now we can delete the exit command. We can do pause command over here. So it will execute to start notepad. Notepad will open. Thereafter it will pause and it will give you the message. You need to act according to the message. Thereafter, once you've done that, thereafter it will open the Excel file. Let me save the file. Let's go to the note command prompt. Type again test.bat. Then hit enter. You see, notepad file open, and as per pause command, it is says press any key to continue. If you do any key to continue, let me close this notepad. Due to pause command, it is in here. Now, if you hit any key from your keyboard, then it will execute the next command. Hit enter. You see, Excel file is open. That means it executed this command. So you understand the how echo command is work, pause command is work, and also exit command. Exit we use over here as a parameter like exit space /B. Also, you can do directly exit command like from here, if you write exit, it will quit this whole application, CMD. So hit enter, you see your CMD command prompt is closed. In that way, you can utilize echo, pause, and exit command in your bash scripting. I believe those who are new in bash scripting as well as echo, pause, and exit command, this video will be very helpful for themselves. If you think this is helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel, and share it to others. Also, if you have any question, please make a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.